What up, world? Y'all already know what it do, man. It's your boy, Metro. Miguel. Yes, y'all, I am very excited. Today is Saturday, May the 23rd. And guess what, y'all? Guess what? Guess what? I got it. I got the package. It just came in, y'all. Come holler at me. Las Vegas, we stand up. We lit. It's going down. I got the LG K51. Y'all see this? The LG K51. Now, if y'all know about this phone in this series, let's see. I've reviewed the LG K20. I reviewed the LG K30. I unboxed the LG K40. And LG say, hold up, y'all. We got something for the summer for y'all. The LG K51. I'm super excited about this phone. Just an overview of some of the specifications. The front camera is 13 megapixels. It does have 3 rear cameras. Not 1, not 2, 3 rear cameras on the back, y'all. So you already know that's a whole movement in its own. It says contains camera features such as gesture shot, selfie light, AI cam, and continuous shot. This phone, y'all, is something vicious. 6.5 inch high definition full vision screen. 6.5 inches. It's gonna be a big screen. Great for movies, great for your TV shows, great for gaming. 6.5 inch full high definition screen with a 19:5 by 9 aspect ratio. It does have a fingerprint sensor for security measures, 4,000 milliamp battery, up to 23 hours of talk time with 32 gigabytes of RAM. Now let's open it up. Can I unbox this? Do I have y'all permission to unbox the LK51, the K51? Do I have your permission? Let's go. I'm ready to unbox this phone, man. How we looking over there? How we look? Are we in the camera right now? Are we good to go with it? Can y'all see this? We straight? Check this out, y'all. So this is the LG K51. Check this out here, y'all. We're going to get to it here in a second. Y'all see the cameras. I'm going to give y'all the breakdown here in a second. Okay, what's in the box here? We have a SIM card to establish our network connection. We also have the start guide for the LG K51. We also are going to have our standard wall plug, okay? And, of course, a USB Type-C charging cable. Nothing else in the box, kept it very simple. Let's open this phone up and check it out. I'm excited about it. Thank y'all for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I know y'all keep seeing me adjust this mask. Look here, y'all. It's a struggle, okay? During this pandemic, Metro by T-Mobile is requiring that we wear our mask while we're in the store with the gloves to make sure we're doing our part. So shout out to everybody, the first responders, everybody on the front line that's doing your part during the pandemic. We appreciate y'all. Thank you so much. The phone, the LG K51. Let's check this out. So I'm gonna open this up here. If I can get that open now. All right, here's the phone. Check us out, y'all. Check that out. Over here to this side right here. Can y'all see that? Okay. So on the front here, we have a 13 megapixel camera. On the back here, the rear cameras. Look, y'all better make sure I get y'all the right info. All right, we have 3 cameras on the back. 13 megapixels, 5 megapixels, and a 2 megapixel camera. So you will be able to get a ultra wide shot with this phone, of course, by having a triple camera system on the rear facing camera. Super duper dope, guys. So I'm gonna go into the settings here. I just wanna show y'all some of the stuff that the phone can do. We're gonna skip past all this. Can y'all see this? We're gonna skip past all of this, continue. Just a second, next. So what I'm doing here is I just wanna get to the main screen so you guys can get an actual feel of how the phone is gonna look during everyday use. I'm super excited about this phone, guys. Make sure y'all leave y'all comments below. LG done stepped their game up with this one. I must say, I'm loving the huge big screen. Back it up here. No thanks, next, skip anyway. Just skipping through all the main settings, right, so we can get to the main screen. And y'all can see how vibrant the colors and everything is on this device. I also want to launch the camera. Here we have it. What y'all think about that? What y'all think about that right there? Here we go. Let's move that later. Here we go. So this is 6.5 inches. Okay, top to bottom here. Let's see, let's launch the camera here. 3 cameras, right? So we gotta see what this camera's looking like here. Okay, next, done. No, I don't wanna learn how to use the gestures at the moment. Later. Okay, can y'all see that there? There's the camera here. Looks pretty good here. I think it looks very dope. Let's see if we flip that around here. So yeah, as y'all can see this here, that's kind of like a shot, right? Super duper dope stuff, man. I think this phone is very awesome, guys. Make sure y'all swing in today. Come check it out. We got the power button here. Looks like we have the SIM tray here. We have a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, USB Type-C charging port. We also have the speaker here. Let's see here. We have the fingerprint reader located here on the back as well. All right, so this video was brought to you by Unlimited Wireless, a authorized dealer partner with Metro by T-Mobile. Stop by today, come check out this phone, y'all. 32 gigabytes of RAM, 6.5 inches, 3 triple cameras on the back, 13 megapixel camera on the front, fingerprint reader, 6.5 inches. All I can say is, last time that I checked, this was a beast. Summertime fine, y'all, is going down. Make sure y'all come check it out. Courtesy of Unlimited Wireless, authorized dealer partner with Metro by T-Mobile.